Hello everyone. One of my subscribers requested me to make a video on heterotrophic plants, so the request is granted. Some plants cannot produce their own food and must obtain their nutrition from outside sources. These plants are heterotrophic. This may occur with plants that are parasitic or saprophytic. Some plants are mutualistic, symbionts, epiphytes, or insectivorous. Let's discuss and get to know what is heterotrophic plants. Plants which obtain their food from other sources are called heterotrophic plants. Such mode of nutrition in plants is called heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Parasites absorb their food from other living organisms. Organisms from which parasites absorb their food is called host. Where do heterotrophic plants live? Heterotrophic plants living at the expense of others. Chlorophyllous plants make their own food by photosynthesis. From water and minerals drawn from the soil, they are autotrophic. In contrast, heterotrophic plants are incapable of feeding themselves. Is mushroom a heterotroph? Mushrooms are heterotrophs, that is, they cannot perform photosynthesis. Consequently, they feed on organic matter. Chemical energy and useful materials are obtained from the digestion of substrates. Why do heterotrophs need nitrogen? Because carbon is a feedstock for photosynthesis, and phosphorus and nitrogen are the two additional elements that are often in short supply for conversion of photosynthetic products, carbohydrates, to other molecule types that are needed for the synthesis of protoplasm. For example, amino acids which are rich in N or RNA. Are fungi heterotrophs? All fungi are heterotrophic, which means that they get the energy they need to live from other organisms like animals. Fungi extract the energy stored in the bonds of organic compounds such as sugar and protein from living or dead organisms. What are 4 types of heterotrophic plants? 4 types of heterotrophic plants are given below. 1. Parasitism. 2. Saprophytism. 3. Symbionts. 4. Insectivore.